Hey everyone, I am Vidhi Srivastav and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted the tutorial. So as you all know that Effect Maker just went live last week and it's totally a game changer. With this amazing tool, you can now create your own YouTube AR effects that people from all over the world can use it in YouTube Shorts. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create one of my favorite effects that is just a simple one, a black and white butterfly AR effect using the effect maker from start to scratch. So if you are curious about how these cool short effects are made or want to just start creating your own, you are at the right place. So let's dive in and start creating. So we have to first navigate to the effect.youtube.com/home or the YouTube Effect official page. So this is how it looks like since I've already logged in with my account. That's why you are seeing your existing projects over here. And here on the left hand side, you will see manage. So manage is somewhere where you will see all your effects over here. So till now, whatever effects that I have created are populating over here. And that too, you can see the name, if it's active or in review, when it was published, what the impression it is holding, views, videos, visibility, category, and so on. So I can quickly go to the create, and here we will start a project. So I will click on this plus icon, and this is how the preview looks like. This is a UI and interface. So here it is untitled. So we'll give the name, say black and white butterfly. And on the left hand side, you will see that we have the color filter options, we have image, we have face paint, face accessories, face stretch, background segmentation, camera feed, a cool text if you want to add something on the effect. And then you can also add 3D effects as well. And if you are into scripting, you can definitely try the visual scripting as well. So on the right hand side, you will see this preview. So there are the default preview model faces that you can use. And if you want to go for the side or look up or look down and so on. And if you want to try some body effects, that also you can try. And if you are uh, new to this and want to try everything on your face, you can just click on this camera. And this is where you will see whatever you're going to create, you will see everything on this preview. So I'll quickly start it. So we first go to the color filter, and here we will see there are two options. One is the add filter and one is the use LUT. So basically LUT is something I think most of you would be definitely have created the effects for Snapchat, or it was a past that on the Metaspark as well. So you know this LUT, you can use it over here. You can create the LUTs using the Photoshop and the other tools as well. I can quickly click on add the filter, and this is how the properties on the right hand side looks like. You have the color filter, intensity, brightness, contrast, and so on. I will quickly move the intensity to 100%, and the saturation I'll make it to minus 100%. So this is what make it black and white effect. But let's change little bit. I will increase the contrast over here. So maybe something like this, and I'll reduce the brightness. Maybe. Yeah, this is fine. Maybe depending on how you want to use it, you can use it. If you already have black and white LUT, you can definitely add it over here and automatically, it will be applied over here. Now, this is the color filter object. The assets, we haven't used any assets right now, but I can quickly show how we can upload the asset. So I can upload the butterfly tiara or the crown. So this is the one. I'll open it and I can rename it. So right click, rename, say black and white butterfly. Okay, and we'll go to the objects pack, and we will go to the image. Sorry, we'll go to the face effects because we want it on our face, not on the camera. I mean, not on the window that is currently we are seeing it. We want that the effect should move as with my face moving. That is the facial expressions and everything should be included. So I will quickly click on the face accessories. Now I'll tell you what the difference is. So face paint is something like if you would have used the effects that have the tattoo effects and some painting on the face. For that, you have to use the face paint. If you want something to be used as an accessory, you can click on, say, maybe you have created an effect that have goggles or some image on the face, something like that. If you want to use, you can use the face accessory. Now you can add a 3D model or you can add an image. I will click on add an image. Now, since we already imported the image, I will select that image, and this is how it will come. And you have here the different options: add it in 2D, add it in 3D. You have size, you have rotation, and also you have the positioning. So I will increase the size and I'll move it little up, and okay, little bit of down. Okay, so that is how it is simple, and this is the effect is ready, and you can use it. And if you want your friends to be used before you upload it or you submit it, if you want to test it, you can just click on the preview on the device. So this is the QR code it is being showed to you, and you can just scan it using your camera. And here you have the effect limit. So you can see you have file size limit, memory use, the assets, whatever you have used, everything would be appeared over here, and it will be automatically saved if you forget to save, so you don't have to be worried that my effect is gone. No. And then you can click on the submit button. So here it will tell you, or it will ask you to add the effect thumbnail. I can quickly select the butterfly itself, or if you want to add an image, you can definitely go ahead and click on continue. So you have to give the effect details. We have the effect name, so black and white butterfly. Okay, it's exactly 25 characters, so you have to be very sure. Like, let me give it. Okay. And you can give a description like it is asking what does this effect do. So you can just, a simple um, black and white effect with butterfly on top of your face. Or you can write butterfly on top. That's it. And visibility. So this is you if you want to keep it public, definitely it is default public, so you cannot change it over here. Then this is where in which account it is going to publish, and you can click on submit. So your effect is submitted. Now, once your effect is submitted, it is saying that you will get an email about its status. So with the registered email, you will get an email as well. So in the manage, you can see here, this is a black and white butterfly, and it is in review. It was published on 5th of July, and still now there is no views. And if you just click on this arrow, you can see here the description, views, videos, and visibilities populating. So that's easy way to create the effect. And this is the first tutorial. I'm going to create many tutorials in the coming days or months. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and let me know what you create, tag me, and thank you everyone.